Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start exercise 5.2, question number 11. Question number 11 is, see the question number 11. Which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39 dotted will be 132 more than its 54th term? Which term of the AP this will be 132 more than its 54th term? तो let nth term will be 132 more than its 54th term. तो यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे let nth term will be 132 more than its 54th term. That is an equal to a54 plus 132. क्योंकि an जो है 132 मोर है, तो अगर हम a54 में 132 प्लस करते हैं तो these both will be equal. Hence we can write an equal to a54 plus 132. Now by writing it a plus n minus 1 into d implies that we can write a plus n minus 1 into d equal to a plus 53d plus 132, and by solving it we can find the value of n. That will be your answer. The given AP is 3, 15, 27, 39. From here you can find the value of A and D also. It is given that given AP is 3, 15, 27, 39 dotted. From here you can find A equal to 3, D equal to 15 minus 3 equal to 12. And by putting the value of A, D, you can find the value of n from this equation. Now question number 12. Your question number 12 is, question number 12. Two APs have the same common difference. यानी there are two APs whose common difference are same. The difference between their 100th term is 100. यानी अगर उन दोनों APs के 100 टर्म यानी A100 अगर दोनों के फाइंड करें हम, तो वो उनका डिफरेंस जो है 100 गिवन है. व्हाट इज़ द डिफरेंस बिटवीन देयर 1000 टर्म्स? तो अगर उनके 100 टर्म्स का डिफरेंस 100 है तो उनके 1000 टर्म्स का डिफरेंस क्या होगा? वी हैव टू फाइंड इट. हाउ विल वी फाइंड इट? लेट द फर्स्ट टर्म of the first AP be A and the first term of the second AP be A dash. A dash. Given that same common difference equal to D, इसको हमने let कर दिया. We know that an equal to a plus n minus 1 into D. It is the formula. Therefore for first AP A100 यानी 100 term for first AP equal to a plus 100 minus 1 into D, that will be a plus 99D. Equation number first. Similarly for the second AP a dash 100 equal to a dash plus 100 minus 1 into D, that will be a dash plus 99D. Equation number second. Therefore difference of 100th terms equal to a100 minus a dash 100. आप इसमें से इसको माइनस कर सकते हैं या फिर इसमें से इसको माइनस कर सकते हैं, डजंट मैटर. नाउ 100 डिफरेंस ऑफ 100 टर्म्स इज गिवन दैट 100, तो इसके नीचे हमने 100 रख दिया. यहाँ पे A100 वी कैन राइट a प्लस 99D यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है, एंड a डैश 100 इज a डैश प्लस 99D. वी विल पुट हियर a डैश प्लस 99D. नाउ वी विल ओपन द ब्रैकेट एंड वी विल सॉल्व इट, देन वी विल गेट a माइनस a डैश. That will be equal to 100 because it is given that the difference of 100 terms is 100. It is your equation number 3rd. Now we have to find the difference of 1000 terms. Similarly for first AP, A1000 equal to A plus 999D and for the second AP, A dash 1000 equal to A dash plus 999D. Therefore, difference of 1000 terms equal to A 1000 minus A dash 1000 equal to this minus this equal to, by open the bracket, we will get here A minus A dash, that will be 100 from the equation number 3. क्योंकि इक्वेशन नंबर 3 में हमने इसको फाइंड कर लिया है A माइनस A डैश इक्वल टू 100, तो B will put here at the place of A minus A dash equal to 100. Hence we can say that the difference of 1000 terms also will be 100. It is our answer. Now question number 13. See the question. Question number 13 is, how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? So first we will write here the 3-digit numbers. 3-digit numbers divisible by 7 are, फर्स्ट नंबर 105 जो कि 3-digit नंबर है, और लीस्ट 3-digit नंबर डिविजिबल बाई 7 इज 105. अब हमें पता कैसे चला इसको, यहाँ देखिए, योर लीस्ट 3-digit नंबर इज 100 एंड बी विल डिवाइडेड बाई 7, देन वी विल गेट हियर 14 एज कोशेंट एंड रिमाइंडर इज 2. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि अगर 100 में से 2 को माइनस कर दिया जाए तो दैट विल बी 98. दिस नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाई 7 बट इट इज 2-digit नंबर, not 3-digit. Hence, by adding 7 in 98, we will get the least 3-digit number, that will be 105. So it means the least 3-digit number divisible by 7 is 105, and by adding 7 in this number, we will get next 3-digit number divisible by 7, that will be 112, plus 7, that will be 119, and so on. And now we have to find the largest 3-digit number divisible by 7. For it, the largest यानी greatest 3-digit number, that is 999. Greatest 3-digit number is 999. So we will divide it by 7 and we will get 142 as quotient and 5 as remainder. Now the greatest 3-digit number divisible by 7 will be 999 minus 5, that will be 994. Hence we can write here 994. It means it is your AP. So now A equal to 105, D equal to 112 minus 105 equal to 7, and AN, that is the last term, equal to 994. Now AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. By using this identity, we can find the total number of terms N. That will be your answer. Now question number 14. Multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250 are, first 12, then 16, then 20 dotted, और लास्ट में 250 से पहले 248 is the number which is divisible by 4. So it is your AP, and now you can find the solution. Now you can do up to question number 15 in your fair register. Thank you and have a nice day.